to something that we consider absurdity. So, or surrealism. This is what surrealism is. You know, Salvador Dali exemplified this. He juxtaposed the subconscious and the dream state, right? And so you have this. So you merge this incongruity, you juxtapose them, and then out when it coheses and creates what we call something that's surrealistic, right? But then that surrealism might be absurdity, right? It may not be absurdity, it might be surreal. But what's fascinating about juxtaposition of incongruity is how there's always a compound. The wave particle duality in light is a paradox, simultaneously dualistic. Hence the reason they call it the wave particle duality in light, because duality means rigid distinctions. You know, duality and contrast or polarity, they are a trichotomy. They share no commonality whatsoever. However, they share one subtle common.
Different controversies, conspiracies, speculations. I can determine, I don't know in that sense.
Some